Machinery Breakdown Insurance MBI is an insurance policy that protects policyholders from financial losses due to machine damage. Machines can be anything from small pieces of equipment to large, complex machines. MBI can help cover the costs of repairing or replacing a machine, as well as lost income due to machine damage. There are two main types of MBI. 1. Boiler and engine damage insurance, BBM. This type of insurance covers damage to boilers, engines and other pressure equipment. 2. Electronic machinery damage insurance, EEI. This type of insurance covers damage to electronic equipment, such as computers, medical equipment, and telecommunications equipment. 3. MBI can be purchased by businesses of all sizes, as well as individuals. This is an important policy for any business that relies on machines to operate. Machinery Breakdown Insurance, MBI, is a type of property insurance that protects your business from financial loss due to damage to machinery or equipment. MBI can help cover the cost of repairing or replacing machines damaged due to unforeseen events, such as 1. Fire, 2. Explosion, 3. Flood, 4. Earthquake, 5. Storm, 6. Mechanical damage, 7. Human error. MBI can be a standalone policy or can be added to an existing business property insurance policy. MBI cost will vary depending on a number of factors, including the type and value of the machine or equipment insured, the risks involved, and the coverage limits selected. The cost of machine breakdown insurance, MBI, will vary depending on a number of factors, including 1. Type of machine insured. More expensive and complex machines will be more expensive to insure. 2. Machine value. The value of the machine insured will also affect the cost of the policy. 3. Risk level. Businesses operating in high-risk industries will pay more for MBI. 4. Amount of coverage. The amount of coverage a business chooses will also affect the cost of the policy. Machinery breakdown insurance, MBI, can be purchased through an insurance agent or directly from an insurance company. When purchasing machinery breakdown insurance, MBI, it is important to compare quotes from several insurance companies to get the best price. Machine damage insurance benefits. 1. Machinery breakdown insurance, MBI, can provide a number of benefits for businesses, including 2. Financial protection. MBI can help cover the cost of repairing or replacing damaged machinery, which can save businesses money in the long run. 3. Reduced downtime. MBI can help businesses get back up and running more quickly after a machine breakdown, which can help reduce loss of revenue. For peace of mind, MBI can give business owners peace of mind by knowing that they are financially protected in the event of a machine breakdown. 5. Protect your assets. Machinery and equipment are often significant investments for businesses. MBI can help protect your assets from unexpected damage. If you have a business that relies on machinery or equipment, machinery breakdown insurance is an important consideration. This can help protect you from financial losses due to unexpected machine breakdowns. Here are some tips for choosing the right machinery breakdown insurance policy for your business. 1. Compare offers from different insurance companies. Make sure to get quotes from several insurance companies before you choose a policy. This will help you ensure that you are getting the best price for the coverage you need. 2. Read the policy carefully before you sign it. Make sure you understand what is and is not covered in the policy. You must also understand your rights and responsibilities as the insured. 3. Choose the right coverage limit. The coverage limit is the maximum amount that an insurance company will pay in the event of a loss. You should choose a coverage limit that is sufficient to cover the cost of replacing your machine or equipment. 4. Consider adding expansion. There are a number of extensions available to machinery breakdown insurance policies. This extension can provide coverage for things like damage from floods, earthquakes, or riots. Talking to an insurance agent can help you choose the right machinery breakdown insurance policy for your business needs. Machinery breakdown insurance, MBI, is a complex insurance policy, and it is important to read the policy carefully before purchasing it. The MBI policy will outline the risks covered and not covered, as well as the amount of coverage provided.